Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica Elaine Solis, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Okay, I'm so excited to share with you today the Lancome Holiday Box. It's a purchase with purchase, and it's amazing because it is $422 worth of product for $65. So the only thing is, you do have to purchase an item for $35, but guess what? This is what I purchased for $35. It is a full size Cils mascara, which is amazing. And it's their Lancome Booster. So you put this on first, and then you put on the mascara, and then they gave you the makeup remover. So purchase this, and actually I ended up giving this to my daughter for her birthday, so it worked out perfect. So that is what we're doing today. I'm really excited, but I want to do for the mind and the spirit and the hero item of the day first, because sometimes y'all don't watch till the end. I know you don't. So, but you should, because I have a lot. You should all go back and watch all mine to the end, because I have a lot of really neat tips and tricks at the end. So for the mind, this book right here, Kevin Aucoin, he's an amazing makeup artist. I've recommended this book before, I've spoke about it, but for the holidays, he does the bombshell look. How amazing is that? By the way, that's Lisa Marie Presley, not Marilyn Monroe. Like, that's how amazing he is. But he goes through, I'm gonna take this off. He goes through the whole thing of how to get this look. So if you're looking for a book on makeup, this is definitely a recommendation. And as a highlight, literally a highlight, he invented basically the contour and the highlight. So look at that. That's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. So that's his contour how-to. That's, if you want to learn from a professional, he's the expert. So making faces, Kevin Aucoin. Go get it. You'll be glad you did. Or buy it for someone for Christmas or for their birthday if they're into that. So for the spirit, I got this Jesus Calling book. This is a devotional. It's like a daily devotional, and I got it at Costco for like $17. So great little daily devotional if you're looking for that. It's amazing. Love that. And then my hero item of the day is actually my necklace. During the holidays, if you're going to a party, go put a fancy necklace on. It'll make your outfit. This is actually from Rachel Zoe, one of her boxes from, I don't even remember when, but anyways, it's my hero item of the day. So make sure you put on a fancy necklace when you go to those holiday parties, Christmas parties, work parties, whatever you're going to. So, and then let's get right into it. So you get 10 full-size items, and you actually get this amazing box. Now, last year, I have to be honest, it was like this huge box. This is so much better for like traveling. You throw this in your suitcase. It has 2 compartments. One on the bottom here, let me see. Yeah, like that. And then one on the top. And that's where I put everything. So let's get right to it. So I'm gonna start with my favorite items. I'm a sucker for a palette, and they did a warm palette and a cool palette. So this is the cool palette, and this is the warm palette, and it comes with both of them. I thought it only came with one or the other, because I think, oh no, it did. Okay, I stand corrected. They do, you have your choice of the palette. So this was the cool palette, but it does also come with the highlighter, the blush and highlighter and bronzer. So yes, so this is amazing. Love these, gorgeous colors, really fun. These are good for the holidays. I'll put that there. And then, okay, so I actually bought these for my daughters for Christmas last year. And of course I went in and I stole the anti-aging. This is their Genifique. It's like a youth activating concentrate. To me, it's like a moisturizer. I put it on in the morning when I first wake up, well, after I've taken a shower. And it just moisturizes, and it's anti-aging, and so is this here. This is the, I think this is, yeah, this is the under eye. It's like a cream. Let me see. Yeah, little cream. So these are great little anti-aging effects here. And then moving right along, they give you the full size double action eye makeup remover. This is like, look at the size of this. Like, this will last you till next year, until you get your next one. Like, and this, if you have stubborn mascara, like waterproof that you cannot get off, this is it. This is like my ride or die to get off mascara that won't come off. So that is amazing. Then moving along, they give you, okay, so this is the booster. Okay, so this is what was in this little thing here. So this is the booster. So you put it on before your mascara and it just like separates the lashes, and it's white, but it goes on clear. It looks white, but it's clear. And then you put your mascara on top of it. I've talked about Monsieur Big, but they've given you the Bi-Facil. And okay, this mascara, okay, Monsieur Big used to be my favorite. Then I went into Emily's room and I tried on her Bi-Facil the other day. You guys, like this, now this is my new favorite. This is definitely more of an everyday because it's just really light and separates your lashes. I would say the Monsieur Big is more of a glam at night party, but oh, I love this. So, world famous mascara right there, Bi-Facil. Then they gave you two lipsticks, and okay, hello holiday party, look at this red. Talk about Hollywood glam, that's amazing. And then, let's see, what are they calling this? 181 Red Stiletto, in case you want to get it separately. And then, oh, and then just like more of a mauve-y color, like everyday color. So nighttime, daytime, nighttime color. Let's see, this one is called Natural Beauty. Perfect. So got two lipsticks, and then they've given you, oh, please tell me this is the eyeliner. Oh, it is. Okay, perfect. 602 Black Ebony eyeliner. Love that. Right above your lash line. That'll give you that Hollywood glam look right there. And then I wanted to bring up a couple things. Well, first I wanted to show you the Monsieur Big mascara, which actually brings up, I want to ask a question. Which is your favorite, Monsieur Big or Bi-Facil? So comment below what's your favorite, and if you have another mascara that's your favorite, comment what's your favorite mascara. I need to know everyone's favorite mascara. Now, they came out with the waterproof this year of Monsieur Big, and that's the blue. So when you're on vacation, definitely I throw this in anytime I'm going on vacation. And then this is the regular one. So waterproof and regular, this is just more Lancome items. And then last year, they put in the Juicy Tubes. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. So these are like lip gloss. I'm gonna actually put it on right now. But first of all, can I tell you, it tastes like or smells like a orange like dreamsicle. Like it smells so good. And it's like a high gloss. I'll put it on right now. High gloss, and I love a lip gloss that tastes good. I mean, there's nothing worse than, I mean, I don't care how good it works. If it doesn't feel good or taste good, like, I don't like that. So this is a little bonus item, the Juicy Tubes. And you could just go get these by themselves. Like, these are great stocking stuffers for your girls and your family, or they make little, like, good little party favors, or these are just ride or dies. Like, I love these. So get these for sure. And if you haven't already, like I said, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and let me know what you're thinking. Let me know what your favorite things are. But again, this makes a great Christmas present. I hope this has helped you, and have a great day. Love you. Bye.